The Automobile Club of Luxembourg was founded in 1932. Today, it has more than 195,000 members. It is a pillar of mobility and assistance in Luxembourg and beyond. Our main missions are to support our members and customers with their mobility needs and provide daily assistance in all circumstances, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When implementing the tool, we faced a huge number of challenges and obstacles. In particular, we wanted to give our employees greater agility and autonomy in their activities. We needed to reduce non-value-added activities and gain better visibility over the control of our activities and processes. The main changes were, first of all, from a quality perspective, for the benefit of our employees. We were able to move beyond a simple normative approach to quality by actually implementing functional processes that correspond to our quality standards and serve our employees.
The solution enabled us to implement process-based management in a pragmatic and clear manner, to the benefit of our employees and our customers. The solution allows us to adapt all processes to business needs, and also to test and improve them continuously as required. The various features of the solution, such as reporting, give us a 360-degree view of the process in real time. The solution also allows us to give our employees more autonomy thanks to processes that are clearer and more transparent. The solution gives us complete visibility into our business, control over our data, and a high degree of customization for each of our processes.
In terms of the performance indicators for the various processes deployed in the solution, we have seen a significant improvement. This is particularly true in terms of processing times, which we have reduced by 2/3 in 3 years, but also in terms of retention times. After a complaint, 91% of our members remain loyal to our organization despite this irritant. We have also seen a significant decrease in our financial commitments. For example, after a complaint, we have halved the amount of commercial gestures.
From the workshop on continuous improvement to the implementation of processes, the solution is now part of our daily routine. The tool allows us to create cross-functional processes for all our business lines, whether for compliance processes, claims tracking, or maintenance tracking.
We have more than 30 processes in the solution. Previously, we managed claims processing via Excel and email, 2 different systems. After implementing the solution, we centralized all activities specific related to the claims management process, both within a department and across all departments and stakeholders, external to the process. The first phase of process experience deployment focused on support activities. Today and tomorrow, we will deploy this solution for the benefit of our operational activities in order to provide our employees with a dedicated tool with high added value in their activities to assist and support them